Welcome back. You can also add in tables to your WordPress site. In order to do that, you're going to go to your add block and you're going to write in the word table, and you'll see your formatting block here. When you open up the table block, you'll notice that you can create the table in both columns and rows. So you'll designate the number of columns that you want in your table, then you'll designate the number of rows. Once you do that, you'll then click the Create button, and then you'll have your table. And of course, you can align the table in ways that you feel appropriate for the content that you are creating. You can also alter the table. Once you place your cursor inside of one of the cells, you can click this button and you can add a row, you can delete a row, you can add a column or delete columns. Now in the properties area, what you can do is you can fix the width exactly, or you can allow the width to be flexible based on the way that you're going to be creating your table and how it's going to fit into the rest of your content. And so you can set up your table in ways that will make sense for the content that you are going to be displaying inside of your WordPress site. And that is how you create a table inside of WordPress. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.